church long tomorrow, you know, cause anytime I go to church, my East Good Friday, my mind always up on the bun and cheese and the fish. Cause me not understand. Back in Jamaica, they said that you're not supposed to light fire on Good Friday until after 12 o'clock. Me not get it. And it was like yesterday. No, it was like Monday. I was talking to this elderly man, and he was telling me that I was asking him why is it Good Friday you're not supposed to light fire, and him say like from he was growing up, and he's in his 70s now. From he was growing up back in Jamaica, they said not to light fire on Good Friday. I don't know why until after 6, and you're not supposed to use needle on Good Friday. You're not supposed to use nail on Good Friday. Something like that they said. I always hear they say. And then they have this thing that they used to do. I used to see my hand to do it. And I think them here ready for turn. Where you put not true, bro. Not true. Them I wonder them I wonder how the fish smells so nice. I win some. How are you? Good night. And they have this thing that I used to see they do in Jamaica, like my auntie used to do it, my grandmother used to do it, where they go and they put a glass with water, and they put an egg white inside the glass, and they say whatever you see in the glass, if you see a ship, you're gonna travel. If you see a plane, you're gonna travel on the plane. If you see the pepper, you're kind of irritating me right now. If you see a grave, if you see a coffin, you're going to die. I don't believe in those things. I always see my auntie do it. And you have to put it out before the sun rises. I don't know. Jamaican people have some things. I don't like the coffee, and the coffee I kind of, I juke up my fish, and I don't like that. I don't like that. I'm going to different fork. I'm going to smaller fork. The part that kind of one like saying want. May I stay at Jamaica and smell the fish. Not you with some dark truth. Normally if when I used to like fry fish, you know, at Easter time, like after this I would give it away and keep back maybe 5 for myself, but no, I'm not got planned this year. I used to buy like 2 bun, and I give one to my friend, and I would give away some of the fish to my friend, like 6 fish, and buy a tin of cheese and cut it in 2, give him half and me take half. But not this year. Not this year. But sorry, so I buy a tin of cheese tin, because I'm not really a cheese person, you know. I should have buy the half tin. But never call my friend when I don't ask her if she wants half of the cheese. And I could have cut in a half and bring half to here tomorrow at church. Yes, with some fish and bun for dinner and break. No, I'm not say breakfast, because I'm not going to eat breakfast in the morning. I'm just going to probably drink some tea and go to church when I come back. Some would have said lunch, dinner, maybe sup, maybe before I go to bed, I dust a fish again and dust a bun. When me eat bun Easter time, I'm not eating 2 slices of bun, you know that. And my bun slice, I'm have to be thick. So I eat like 3 slices of bun, and I have my cheese. My bun have to start high, because you know say Easter only come once a year, and I only eat bun and cheese once a year. After Easter, I don't buy bun, I don't buy cheese. So, woo! Shit. Oh my God, guys, my phone dropping at the tile. Oh my God. My phone dropping at the tile. Holy crap.
Is it good?
I mean, have the phone. I don't like use a phone stand here, you know. I don't like use a phone stand here, honestly. My phone dropping at the tile. I don't know if you guys still can hear me. Come on, man. Devil is a liar, eh? Big fat liar. Devil is a big fat liar. Bad mind me come here